Hey, it's Emily from WTI. Are differences in you and your partner's sleep preferences ruining your relationship? Well, you can save the day with this comforter from Komforte. This microfiber dual zone comforter for a his and her side means everybody has the good night's sleep that they need. This innovative and unique design is built in with a warm side and a cool side. Let me show you how things used to be. My husband is always freezing at night. His side of the bed would be stacked up with comforters. This actually led to a lot of issues. When we were laying in bed at night trying to go to sleep, if he would even roll over and get slightly near me with his fiery side full of blankets, I would lose it. I absolutely hate to be overheated at night. But this comforter has changed everything. When you're just looking at the comforter, you cannot tell that it is significantly different on either side. But it does feel much cooler on the cool side and much warmer on the warm side. I don't know how they built in this amazing Swedish technology, but it's there and it works. I really appreciate that the Duvet Tabs clearly tell you which side is the cool side and the warm side. I also really appreciate that it's Oeko-Tex certified. I always look for that in my fabrics to make sure that they are clean, safe, and free from harmful toxic chemicals. We got the king in white. I really love the clean white design, but it's also really convenient with the Duvet Tabs because you can put it in a duvet and change up your decor at any time. It also comes in a variety of soothing neutral tones. Don't sleep in separate bedrooms. Just get one of these comforters. I'm really pleased with this comforter and I think you will be too, but that's my point of view.